friends, my name is Dikshanvita. Welcome to my channel Mattricks. In this video, we will learn about fast multiplication of two-digit numbers of some particular kind. By observing these problems, we can do in fraction of seconds. For example, we will take some problems. 23 into 27, 34 into 36, 45 into 45, 52 into 58, 67 into 63, 78 into 72. What do we do in regular method? In regular method, we multiply first with 7 and write here, and then multiply with 2 and we write here, and then add the result. This needs 3 columns or 3 steps. That is time-taking process, isn't it? But here we will do this directly. If we see these problems, we can observe there is one common thing. What is that? In all these problems, the digits in tens place are same. That is, here 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 7 and 7. And the digits in ones place are different. But 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10. Means the sum of the digits in ones place is 10. So here the digits in tens place are same and the sum of the digits in ones place is 10. We can do these problems easily. We will take this 23 into 27. Here, what are the digits in units place? Yes, 3 and 7. Directly we multiply these two. That is 3 into 7 is equals to 21. In tens place the digits are same. So we multiply these two with the next number. What is the next number to this 2? That is 3. So we multiply 2 with 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. This is our answer. Now we see the next one. 34 into 36. Here the digits in units place are 4 and 6. So we multiply 4 with 6. That is 4 into 6 is 24. And then we multiply 3 with the next number. That is 3 into 4 is 12. So this is our answer. Now we go for the next one. 45 into 45. First we do 5 into 5. Then 4 into 5. This is 25 and this is 20. So 2025 is our answer. If we practice more problems, we can do directly without this step. Now take the next one. 52 into 58. So 8 into 2 is 16 and 5 into 6 is 30. So the answer is 3016. Take the next one. 67 into 63. 3 into 7 is 21 and 6 into 7 is 42. So the answer is 4221. Now take the next one. 78 into 72. So 8 into 2 is 16 and 7 into 8 is 56. So the answer is 5616. So like that we can do easily. We'll see some more examples. 61 into 69 and 54 into 56. Coming to these problems, a simple difference is there. In ones place, 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 plus 9 is 10. So the sum is 10 only. And the digits in tens place are also same. But the difference is, here 9 into 1 is 9, 6 into 4 is 24. So this is a single digit and this has 2 digits. But we take 2 digits. So we write 9 into 1 as 09. So 9 into 1 is 09 and 6 into 7 is 42. This is our answer. Here 4 into 6 is 24 and 5 into 6 is 30. The answer is 3024. Like this we can do the multiplications in fraction of seconds.